Hi guys, this is the GTA 5 for Android. This is my sports car. You can see with a speedy position and its movements. I will see high speed, nitro, and will enjoy. Oh, here is police behind me. Come on. Then you go to the car, the police is suddenly coming behind you. There is no sympathy. His police is very sensitive and alert always. When you take any bike or vehicles you want, come on. Yes, it's a roadblock like. This is my sports car. Wow. Oh, best here. His movements, his speed is very beautiful. His graphics. मजा आ रहा है यार. It's the dollar. Come on. Wow,
the corner of Pleasant Hill and John Young Parkway. I'm in a Walgreens parking lot, and my car will not start. I'm locked inside my car. I cannot open my car. I can't get the windows down. Nothing electrical works.
It's also behind
and
me.
It's getting very hot in here, and I'm not feeling well.
I know.
I need some help.
Take a car, sports car.
Are you able to pull the lock up on the door and open the door? You should be able to just pull the lock up even if it's electrical.
Okay. Alright, I got that going. Okay.
So are you able to get out the car now?
Yeah, I got the door open.
Okay.
Alrighty, I'll see if I can get AAA or something.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Alrighty, bye-bye.
Yes. It's automatically heal हो जाता है, like modified हो जाता है when you accident. Yes, this night was very beautiful. The speedy move. Bunny air, water. 5 star. Police. Dangerous. Come on. I reached the airport. Wow. I'm playing with
FBI to DEA testing on Houston Command. How do you read us? This is Houston DEA. I read you loud and clear on command.
You can see her
10-4.
with airplanes to me. But there's no security, but police is behind me. Police.